Hey, what's going on? Just want to make a quick Bitcoin update for you. Um, so we have Bitcoin coming down right now. It's kind of coming down, testing the golden pocket. So I just wanted to let you know what kind of levels we're looking out for. Bitcoin did come up in this channel and broke through the channel, and obviously, came down, retested, came back down, big drop. And so we're actually I'm looking for Bitcoin to come down to sweep this low, but we are getting a little bit of a bounce in the golden pocket, but I'm still looking out. I took out some of my trade here, still riding a little bit the rest of the way down. We'll see if we hit the 786 and then possibly even further. And probably if we come past the 818, more than likely we're going to take a low. So we'll go down even further. But going down even further, that would be a whole nother video, a whole nother analysis. Just I just know that some people might be wondering what's going on and with Bitcoin, so I just want to make this quick video, show you what's happening. So look out see what happens here. Keep an eye on it here. I am keeping an eye on it at this level that it's at right now at 95.6, and then looking for a possible bounce here at 94.6. And we could even come lower. So if we come down, we take this low, down in this area below the 818, I'm probably going to come past the low, and then I'll make another video on that. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.